Welcome back to another episode, everybody. So today we are going to be working on the hood. Um, it's been a few weeks since I have worked on the car. I did have my little girl finally. Her name is Ainsley. She's a little doll. But anyway, finally getting back out into the garage after a few weeks of taking off, which for you guys, it'll probably be just another seamless video. You won't even know anything happened. But for me, I just feel a little bit rusty, a little worn down, and a little beat up. But anyway, let's get started. Okay, so I got this epoxy primer on, which is, it's looking really good in all spots except for pretty much one. Here, let me show you where. And actually, you probably picked it up in the video. But right here, the low spot right here. So, it is low, but I'm hoping that when I put the next coat of the feather fill on, that will take care of that. And if not, then we'll just go ahead and hit it with a little bit of some of the skim coat or whatever, the body filler. So that's kind of where we're at. It's looking pretty straight, pretty happy with how this is turning out, how it's looking. And a couple spots here, a little sanding scratch. A lot of stuff, a lot of these little imperfections will be taken care of. I think I finally also figured out my spray gun. I was shooting around 35 PSI, so I've been doing a lot of research on my time off here and just looking at like painting techniques. So when I do go to paint this car, or if I do paint it, so I'm still in the air whether I want to paint it or not, or if I just want to take it to my brother's work and have them do it. It's not free, unfortunately. I'll have to pay for it, but yeah, I just want to know what I'm doing and see if I can do it. So my thought is I'll probably go ahead and get on the car itself and paint like the door jams and the trunk jam and all that stuff. I'll do that myself. So if I do have to take it in, then all they gotta do is just worry about the body. So, but this is where we're at. And then the next step here is, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put some feather fill on this and get it nice and filled in after it dries. And then we will go from there and see what's going on after we get it sanded down and how it's looking. Alright everybody, well that is a wrap for today's video. I am actually really happy about how everything turned out on here. So there's a few imperfections, let me show you quick. Alright, so one of the little things is I just pointed out a little bit ago when you saw the black on was the that spot there and a little bit right in front of it there. If I hit the light just right, you can see it right up in there. So I got those. There's a little scratch over here. See, yep, there it is, picking up right there. And then when I was spraying, I got a little bit of crap in here. Looks like a pinhole, but actually I don't know what it is, but just a little piece of trash. But other than that, I am super happy with how the epoxy primer laid down on this hood. And I really like the way that this feather fill laid down. It actually laid down super smooth, a lot better than it had. I think adjusting those, the PSI on my gun down a little bit really helped with that. So thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. So, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Little sneak peek about what's going on. Right here, I got some paint samples. So that will be in the next video. I'm going to be filming it actually right now. But the reason I'm cutting this video short is because I'm stretched for content. Since I got my new little girl here, it just takes up a lot of time, and I want to be more consistent with these videos and get them out every week. So that being said, thanks for watching again. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, that'd be great. Hit the little bell notification so you know when my next video comes out. We will see y'all next time. Peace.